get more money out of your corporation tax-free, save on CPP, EI, and taxes, benefit yourself as an employee owner, and also benefit your employees. If you have medical expenses that you pay out of your pocket, that's over and above a group benefit plan, or maybe you just have expenses that aren't covered by a plan, or you just don't have a plan, you need to consider a private health services plan. When you pay for medical expenses personally, you have to pay the expense net after tax. So if you're in a 30 or 40% tax bracket, that's the extra amount it actually costs you in order to pay for medical expenses. So I often find orthodontics is a great example of extra costs that has to be incurred because there's no other way for coverage to pay for these expenses. If you have a private health services plan, your corporation can actually pay the expense for these medical costs. You simply have to run the expense through the private health services plan. The corporation pays for it, it's a deduction to the corp, and it doesn't cost you that extra tax money personally out of pocket. The corporation does have to pay an extra 10% processing fee to the trust company. However, a 10% fee is usually much less than the tax rate that you're at personally at 30 or 40% or whatever you might be paying. So if you have extra medical expenses, you need to consider a private health services plan, especially if you're an employee owner of a corporation.